So this is a 110cm Rangemaster induction cooker. The body, the doors, the cavities are kind of common on most of the products. This particular variant has got the multifunction oven on it, but most of the features are common. So you've got many colours and many choices and styles. I think in this particular variant, they're predominantly monochromatic, the colours, but you can get all sorts of autumnal colours in other variations, and they've obviously got different control knob designs and things like that. The grill is a glide out grill, open door, so you can see your cheeses melting nicely, smell it from a distance and things like that. Really nice. You can vary the height of the trivet to suit you and things like that. This particular one's quite nice. This one's actually got closed door grilling in sort of German style as well. So if you're doing fish on a summer's day, you can close the door and keep the smell all in there. But it's a fan oven, it's a conventional oven, it's got turbo grilling, it's got fast heat up, it's got frozen item defrosting. This tray here just pops off, you just pull it like that, it just unclips if you don't want to use it. And for me, it's got a full set of catalytic liners in there, which means you can avoid any unnecessary cleaning as long as you get the oven nice and warm. They'll kick in and do that for you. So that's there. Over this side, you've got the slightly higher variation there, again cat lined, and this is more conventional. It's just a fan oven, so it will certainly be fine for most of your daily cooking. This area here, you can use this as a storage drawer, but in theory its main point is a dough proofing drawer, so it does have a little heat. It's not a slow cook or anything like that, but yep, dough proofing drawer or storage drawer depending on your choice. Obviously, as far as the induction top's concerned, ridiculously easy to clean, never really gets that hot, so even if you're cooking you can clean round it. This particular one has got large zones, it's got 5 zones there, and this one can be bridged together for using those rectangular griddles and things like that. Still running it on knobs there, so it's very easy to control without even any sort of afterthought, and most of the range have this configuration to some extent. Yeah, there you go.